Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study present continuous tense. Let me share with you the objectives. Today we will learn the rules of present continuous tense. We will learn finally the use of is, am, are appropriately in sentences. The present continuous tense. We will study the use and form of present continuous tense. We will study about the use of present continuous tense. Firstly, it is used to talk about things that are happening at the time of speaking. Second, to talk about things that are happening around a present time. Third one, to talk about plans, things we have arranged to do in the future. Here are the 3 examples sharing with you. I am ironing my new blouse. She is working until late this week. I am visiting my friend Sue next weekend. Here is the sentence formation for present continuous tense. First one, for positive sentences, subject plus is, am, are plus first form of verb ing plus base form. For negative sentences, subject plus am, is, or including not plus ing form plus base form. For example, he isn't playing. For question sentences or interrogative sentences, the sentence formation will be am, is, are plus subject plus ing form plus base form. For example, is he playing? Students, let's watch the video.
Welcome to English Grammar Spot. This lesson is about the present continuous. I'm going to show you how to form a present continuous and when to use a present continuous. But before we get started, it's good to know how to conjugate the verb to be. The singular forms are I am, you are, he is, she is, it is. The plural forms are we are, you are, they are. It's also good to know that when I say a vowel, I mean A, E, I, O, U. When I say a consonant, I mean all the other letters in the alphabet. Now let's get started. Look at these sentences. I am talking on the phone. We are cooking dinner. Both these sentences are in the present continuous tense. How do we form a present continuous? First and foremost, we need the auxiliary verb to be, the infinitive form of the verb, and ing. Take a look at the examples. I am working late. You are talking too fast. He is watching television. She is walking to school. It is raining. For the plural forms, we do exactly the same. We are singing a song. You are doing your homework. They are looking for a hotel. Now we need to pay extra attention to verbs that end in an E, such as take and make. These verbs drop their E. Take a look at the examples. I am taking the bus to school. He is making dinner. We also need to pay attention to verbs that have one syllable, end in a consonant and are preceded by a vowel, because they double the consonant. For example, these verbs are sit, get, and run. Take a look at the sentences. I'm sitting outside. You are running fast. It is getting late. We are letting ourselves go. They are swimming in the river. Please note that these verbs have doubled their consonant. Now let's have a look at the present continuous in questions. we need the auxiliary verb to be, a verb, and ing. For example, am I getting close? Are you running late? Is he taking a bus? Is she playing tennis? Is it snowing? And for the plural forms, are we going in the right direction? Are you arriving by ferry? Are they eating their lunch? Let's have a look at present continuous in negations. Again, we use the auxiliary verb to be and we add not. We use the infinitive form of the verb and ing. I'm not waiting for you. You aren't looking for me. He isn't sleeping late. She isn't talking on the phone. It isn't freezing. For the plural forms, we do the same. We aren't putting up a tent. You aren't speaking at the same time. They aren't cutting paper. Now we're going to take a closer look at when to use a present continuous. We use the present continuous for things that are happening right now. So if you look around you or maybe out of your window, you see all kinds of things going on. Examples are, I'm watching television at the moment. It is raining right now. Look, they're swimming in the river. We also use the present continuous for plans in the near future. For example, I am flying to Dubai next week. He is meeting her at the airport in an hour. Are they moving this weekend? I thank you for your attention. For regular updates, please subscribe to youtube.com/EnglishGrammarSpot or go to www.englishgrammarspot.com.
Students, as you have watched the video and you have learned how to use present continuous tense, now here is going to do some written work. You will have Student Book 1, Unit 2, Hello There. Language Focus 1, Present Continuous 1, page number 28. Here is a page. Now what you will do, you will read the blue block given over here carefully and keep the rules in your mind. There is a link given for you. Now this link you have watched in the video. Now the grammar concept of present continuous can be understood from the web link provided. Now what you have to do is to make sentences using present continuous tense. For example, I am watching television. We are waiting for the train to arrive. What are you talking about? She is staying with her friends in Lahore. Start writing. Thank you.